I wanted to put a compressor in my Prado so I could adjust tyre pressures after the beach or the bush without waiting at the servo on the way home. I had a good location, it needed a small compressor, but I was keen to use it and I found the ARB high output CKMA 12-24. I did some CAD work to make up a template and used what materials I already had to make them out. A quick test fit to work out the exact position to weld on the plate that came with the compressor, and I added a bracket to hold the weatherproof toggle switch. A quick coat of paint and I was happy with the end result. I figured some anti-vibration mounts would help reduce noise in the cab, so I punched out some rubber washers and added them between the compressor and the bracket with nylock nuts. A piece of aluminium toolbox trim to protect the harness running nearby, and my favourite air coupling for the air hose. I added some more anti-vibration washers when I installed the bracket to the car, and a rubber boot to keep the crap out of the coupling. I stripped the ARB harness apart and removed the extra wiring for the air locker control switches, and that made for a nice neat install. The very next day, in my social media feed, I got an ad for this K-on bracket, which is probably how I'd do it next time.